Hi guys, how are you? I came back with a new tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to log in into Hana bank account in South Korea. Someone has commented that about login of Hana bank in South Korea. So here is the tutorial. First of all, go to the highlighted link in your any browser, Chrome, Linux, Firefox, everywhere you want. So if you click on this, you will see here a login option. Click on this login page and it will redirect you to login page of official Hana Bank of South Korea. Here your data will be proceed. After this, you will go to the page where you have to enter your login details. Wait for a second, you can see here. So see this guys, here I have to enter my ID and password, then I find my login of Hana Bank account in South Korea. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.